This definitely wasn't what we expected work camping at a KOA campground.
Stick around as we share our work camping experiences so far to find out if we love it or we want to leave it.
Can you believe it's been almost 4 months since we sold everything and bought an RV? I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
And we are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
We got told by our kids to get a life.
So here we are on the Oregon coast at a beautiful campground.
We've been in vacation mode, but it's time to get serious and we gotta do work. Work camping. Let's talk about it. Oh, there have been some ups and someone almost had to throw down.
So don't worry, we are gonna kiki all about it because we got some tea to spill about all of this work camping stuff. So we got our uniforms and I'm not sure how I feel about this yellow.
Please, I look good in every color.
I'm glad at least on Fridays we get to wear our tie-dye shirts. Let's talk about work, baby.
We went in all gung-ho and kicked ass like we do.
That's right. Ooh, ooh. We quickly realized not everybody has the mindset that we do.
We're a housekeeping couple. We're a team that cleans the cabins and the restrooms.
It's so easy that even a monkey can do it.
Coworkers. Dun, dun, dun. Let's talk about the people we work with.
Oh, it's tea time. Who's ready for some tea?
95% are awesome, but you always have that 1 or 2 bad apples. This one almost had to throw down.
Well, when someone's being disrespectful, you gotta put them in their place, because mama don't play that. They straight try to bring out the ghetto in me. I had to center myself because their negativity was ruining my positive energy flow. So it's very important not to let others control the way you feel.
Message!
Downtime. Do we get any? And what do we do when we do? Well, when it's not raining, that is, because just at the drop of a hat, it starts raining.
We have access to all the amenities here at the campground.
Indoor and outdoor pool and jacuzzi.
Miniature golf.
Even a fun zone and activities building.
As well as the campground's activities.
And I even did some tie-dye.
Plus hanging out with our schooly friends and getting into all kinds of trouble and finding new adventures.
Oh, God.
So what's the 411? Is work camping for us?
Do we love it or do we want to leave it? We love it.
It's so super easy and chill.
And it gives us enough time to go and explore and go on new adventures.
It's just simply amazing. We love our lives. Woo! Let's talk about work, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the work that we're doing at the KOA. Shit.
Sipping whiskey at the bottom, not thinking about tomorrow.
We love our lives. We love the shit. You carry nothing, I won't be alone. Come on now, ease on down the road.
Scene.
Well, tell me that's it.
Cut!